Welcome to ISE 2026. Here in our education area, we're showcasing how Sony's AI PTZ auto framing technologies supports everything, from classroom to lecture halls or even college sports stadiums. We continue to evolve our AI auto framing, and with an upcoming firmware upgrade for the SR2 A40, A12, and BRC AM7, we're introducing a new basketball framing mode designed for school sports games. This update also adds more framing options and advanced control settings, giving users greater flexibility in their daily operations. So this firmware will be available around April, so stay tuned. And our PTZ cameras also work seamlessly with third-party systems. Here, we're demonstrating BitFocus Companion with Stream Deck, and our cameras are also Zoom Rooms certified to facilitate hybrid learning. Finally, we're showcasing innovative teaching solutions with our Spatial Reality Display, delivering an immersive 3D learning experience for students. So for more information, please visit our Sony Professional website.